Generative AI has finally reached the formulation bench, bringing with it the undeniable pull of raw, unmitigated speed. Scanning decades of literature in seconds, screening ingredient compatibility on the fly, and diagnosing complex compound failures before the physical prototypes even cool. But beneath that extraordinary velocity, every prompt and query carries an invisible existential cost.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
Every helpful interaction with an open model is quietly pulling confidential formulation logic, rigid customer specifications, and emerging inventions straight out of the laboratory. And the standard corporate defenses, ironclad non-disclosure agreements, and secure local logins mean absolutely nothing when the data hemorrhage is entirely voluntary. The real vulnerability inside a chemical company is rarely a careless scientist uploading a completed commercial recipe all at once. The damage happens in pieces, typing in a strict concentration range on a Tuesday, testing an addition sequence on a Thursday, and feeding in a list of failed supplier experiments by the end of the week. To an external algorithm, those seemingly harmless data points are just coordinates, easily reassembled to perfectly map the highly sensitive development pathway of your most lucrative product. Then the fallout hits the legal department, where the definition of human inventive contribution becomes impossible to defend if an algorithm generated the solution. Relying on these unverified digital outputs without an auditable trail of documentation completely cripples your ability to secure patent claims, stripping years of physical benchwork of its legal value. You are left trapped between two collapsing defenses, unable to legally patent the AI-assisted formulation and completely unable to protect it as a trade secret. Without rigorous platform due diligence and a governed workflow, your entire innovation pipeline is running blind. Banning AI means losing the market. Using it blindly means losing the company. The only path forward is a governed, defensible workflow that accelerates problem solving without surrendering ownership. Do your scientists actually know how to mask their technical intent before they hit send? The exact operating framework is laid out in AI-assisted Formulation R&D, protecting trade secrets, patentability, and data control by OnlyTRAININGS. Register for the expert session and secure the know-how behind every AI-assisted decision before another fragment leaves your lab.